What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the title of the video, today we are going to be doing a Sunday reset. We are going to be doing a cleaning vlog. We're going to be going to the store. We're going to be getting ourselves together. We're going to be getting ready for the school week. I have a job interview this week. So Wednesday I have to get myself together and ready for the job interview. So we're full of a whole bunch of enthusiasm. Happy freaking Sunday, guys. And yeah, let's get look around in salon. We're gonna tighten it up. We got little Tracy to the man right there. We got a pile of clothes. We're gonna wash us some clothes. You know what I'm saying? We gonna Sunday reset. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's get ready for this work week, baby. Cause sis might be getting herself a job this week. And yeah, so come along with us. Okay, guys, so we actually stopped cleaning our rooms because, you know, we got a little bit of ADHD over here, you know what I'm saying? We be multitasking, but I did take some constructive criticism, and we are taking the initiative to wipe down our walls because I know my walls were a little bit dirty. We already did this wall. We even got the little one over here. We even got the little one. We even got the little one over here. You're supposed to be wiping the wall, Trance. We even got him wiping the walls and cleaning up. And I have my rag, and I'm actually getting ready to do this wall right here. So we're working together to just make sure our space is the best that it can be. So we will be back, guys, once we're finished cleaning, and I'll show you the end result.
Like the homies when that I've been out there for 36 years.
Can y'all stop joning on each other and just clean up?
When was the last time though?
When was the last time you went?
I pray every day.
You pray every day?
Yeah, I get up and pray, actually.
Do you pray every day?
No, he doesn't. He's lying. He just wants you. He's lying.
You see what I mean, though?
Stop playing with my baby.
See what I mean? He on some weird stuff.
Stop playing with my baby. All right, we done took enough of a break. We need to get back at it, y'all. Sunday reset. Sunday reset. Clean up. Everybody, everywhere, clean up. Come on, y'all. Do your share.
Stop.
So I forgot to show you guys a scope of the room. The room is basically pretty much clean. I just need to close my closet doors. I was going to cook brunch for the kids or whatever, but I decided to just grab something while we're out. We need to run a couple of errands and take care of a few things. So, let me show you guys the walls in the hallway. We're done wiping them down. So like they're a lot cleaner than they were in the original video. We only did the upstairs and we did the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. So we cleaned the bathroom. So we're gonna do the downstairs. We're gonna help Jaden, my oldest son, do the downstairs once we this week sometime, or he might want to do it today, but we usually do meal prep on Sundays, so I'm gonna go through and show you guys how we meal prep. So I'm just going to go to a couple of stores, probably TJ Maxx, Family Dollar, the grocery store, probably Wegmans. I'm not 100% sure, and I think that's the only stores that we're going to, but we may go somewhere else if we need something. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, guys, so I done totally forgot to tell you guys, I done forgot to take you guys with me. So we ended up finished cleaning up. We ate at Wendy's. I was gonna cook, but I was trying to just hurry up and get when I needed the errands ran that I needed to run. So we went to Wendy's. We had lunch at Wendy's. Then we went to Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, and TJ Maxx. I'll show you guys what we got from the store when we get back. I'm actually headed to the grocery store. I'm headed to Wegmans right now. And then we're going to be on the way back home. And then we're going to make sure that we meal prep for the rest of the week. I meal prep usually my lunches, I know for sure, for the rest of the week, and we're gonna cook dinner or whatever like that. So yeah, we had a really nice day cleaning up. The house turned out really clean. We got the upstairs together, so we're gonna get to the middle floor. We'll probably do that while we meal prepping, like multitask, clean up a little bit and cook at the same time. And then but I'll show y'all what we got from the store once we get back there. We're like literally like 10 minutes away from the grocery store. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the store. So the kids are unloading the stuff in the grocery bags, and I'll show you guys what I got from. I'll show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx. I got me some meal prep containers that, and the kids like these little water packs. So I got a bunch of these. I got the Starburst and the Skittles flavor. I got me a new cup that matches my aesthetic. I got 2 pickles from the dollar store. From the Dollar Tree. I got 2 pickles. I got these cute cups, y'all. These are like little coffee cups, and they were literally only $3. I got some little containers. The tops just fell off of them. The tops fell off. Like little snack containers. My daughter got a candy bar. Oh, y'all, I got this perfume from TJ Maxx. It smells so good. Praline and pistachio. And I'm very funny about scents. And I'm surprised I like it. So let me show you guys. You know those bags can go into the recycling? Mom. The bags can go into the recycling. And I want you to sweep this rug, Jaden. No. We got some snacks, chocolate, salad dressing, pizza sauce, a big thing of honey, some blue cheese salad dressing, some apples, dish detergent, some soft scrub, heavy whipping cream, some mouthwash, some other creams over here. These are supposed to be like Splenda cream. This is supposed to be like no sugar, since I'm trying to do the whole no sugar thing. We got some drinks and stuff over here. I got some Impossible burgers, some plant-based meat, some bleach back there. Yeah, we got some eggs. And is there anything over there? We got a whole cabbage right here. And that's basically our little haul. So we get ready to put this stuff away. Oh yeah, I did get a toilet seat because my toilet seat is broken. So I will be trying to get a friend of mine to put that on. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to start cooking dinner and just cleaning up a little bit. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in just a second. Mackenzie also got some hoodies from TJ Maxx. So who is this character? One Piece. This is Luffy. So this is One Piece. I think it's a video game character. And then she got a Friday the 13th. Red and black is her favorite color. So she just got a couple of hoodies, so she won't keep wearing the same outfits. Ain't that right? Where's the damn, what's the name, spray? Oh, I think we used it all. Don't tell me that. What did you season this with?
The garlic betty. Not too little.
Okay. They said it was a recall on this.
Oh, what?
Alright, so even though I had a real bad headache when I came back from the store, but I still prepared my lunches for the week. I just didn't record me prepping it. It was just a bit much. I was having like a super big headache. I'm trying to open it so I can show y'all what I got. So I just got some grilled shrimp and salad. So I made that for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then Tuesday and Thursday, I have some stuffed shells and salad. So that's the same thing here and here. So these are my lunches. And Trans, he's sitting here eating right now. And we're getting ready to do our evening routine before we get ready for the week. So stay tuned, guys. So my youngest already took a bath, and I just had the worst headache earlier. I don't know what it was. It had to be the perfume that I put on or something. But I'm actually about to call it a night. We did eat dinner. We had stuffed macaroni shells. It was so good. And yeah, so I'm like real tired right now, and I'm getting ready to crash, but I just wanted to close this vlog out. This Sunday reset. So we got 90% of what we needed to get done. And then we realized that there's no school tomorrow anyway. School is actually closed. I think they have a half a day of like virtual learning, and then I guess the rest of the day they're off or whatever. So we did a Sunday reset, but it's no school tomorrow. So we did not complete the laundry. We did some of the laundry, but not all of it. So we'll be completing that tomorrow. But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let me know down below, what do you guys do on Sunday to reset for the week. So talk to you guys later. Bye.